In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube desktop shortcut on PC. This is a quick and easy way to open YouTube directly from your desktop, almost like it's its own app, without having to open your browser and type in the address every time. I'll walk you through each step slowly, and you can pause the video at any point to follow along on your own computer. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC. This process works best in modern browsers that support installing sites as apps, such as Chrome or the new Microsoft Edge. In the address bar at the top, type in youtube.com and press enter. This will take you to your YouTube dashboard, which is simply the main YouTube page you see when you're signed in. Once your YouTube dashboard is open, look closely at the top of the browser window, specifically around the address bar where the URL is displayed. You're looking for a small computer-shaped icon with a down arrow on it. This icon usually appears on the right side of the address bar and indicates that the site can be installed as an app on your device. Move your mouse over that icon and click on it. After you click the icon, a small menu or pop-up will appear with an option that says something like Install or Install YouTube. Go ahead and click on Install. What you're doing here is telling your browser to create a separate app-like window for YouTube, along with a shortcut that you can use from your desktop or start menu. Once you click install, YouTube will automatically open in a new window on your device that looks and feels more like a standalone app rather than a regular browser tab. You'll notice it has its own icon on the taskbar, and there are no typical browser controls like the address bar at the top. At this point, your PC will also create a shortcut for this YouTube app. Depending on your system settings, you may see the shortcut placed on your desktop, in your start menu, or both. From now on, you can open YouTube by simply double-clicking that desktop shortcut or selecting it from your list of apps, giving you quick one-click access to YouTube whenever you need it.